Hey gang, it's Chris from Acoustics, and I'm here with Charles Minett, the Director of Product Design at Monitor Audio, and we're going to find out what's new for Monitor Audio at CEDIA Expo 2024.
Hi there, yes, my name's Charles Minett, and I'm introducing here at CEDIA for the first time in North America our new Climate Series loudspeaker. This is the third generation of the Climate Series, and it is our most thoroughly tested outdoor product yet. This is an IP66 rated speaker. It's beyond that though. We've tested to full submersion, and we have really pushed the limits of what is possible with a sealed loudspeaker enclosure. We've even gone to incredible detail on high temperature change. We have a pressure release valve in the design to ensure that any cabinet pressures in high temperature, rapid temperature change are accounted for, which is a really neat little feature. And then the aesthetics of the product as well. We really wanted to look at creating a product which would blend into any environment. Outdoor spaces are becoming a lot more design conscious, we think, and yeah, the outdoor living room is a really common occurrence now, and we wanted to create something that would blend into that environment. So we've got something that's free of branding and logo from the front surface, and it's nice and clean. The bracket, we've really looked at that. We've got a new bracket system that's inspired by our Creator Series Quick Link, which is a self-wiring system. So you mount the bracket, you wire the bracket, and then the speaker attaches just with a single screw, and all your wiring's done. So when you're up the ladder doing that integration job, it's a lot easier. And then on top,
they're not powered, right?
No, they're not powered. They're passive, and we offer two sizes. All of our products we run on simple naming systems. So we have the small product here and the medium product. So swing this round here. Yeah, on the CL2S, which is the small, you'll see that we've integrated a little 4-inch driver, which has our RST2 technology, which is a proprietary monitor audio technology, and our C-Cam tweeter. Obviously, we're quite famous at Monitor Audio for our gold dome tweeter. This is exactly the same, but for outdoor environment where subtlety is key, we've anodized that black to keep it nice and discreet. And there you see the little pressure release valve that I was talking about. And then we step up to the Climate Medium. This product actually, even though it's quite compact, features a 6-inch RST2 driver, so you get a lot more performance out of that. And to enhance that, we've also developed new ABRs. So the rear of the product has a fully integrated proprietary ABR for extended bass reach. So yeah, auxiliary bass radiator.
Nice.
Yes.
It's like a passive radiator.
Yeah, it is. It's exactly that. And it works just like a port tube, but keeps the enclosure totally sealed. Yeah.
So it extends the bass without enlarging the size of the cabinet.
Yeah, exactly
Okay.
that. Yeah,
Gotcha.
Yeah, so it's all new at the show. It's possibly the most requested architectural solution we've had in recent years.
Awesome.
So we're really glad to finally get it out to the market.
Cool. And we're going to move on to the indoor speakers.
Yeah, so moving on to our new passive loudspeaker range, our Gold Series 6G. We name all of our core ranges in their generation, so Gold Series is very much part of the Monitor Audio DNA. The original Gold product actually dates back to 1988, I think, and the first Gold Series was a 98 or 99, memory eludes me, and since then we've now gone on to the 6th generation of that product. It's not an evolution though, it's very much a ground-up redevelopment. For the first time, we have unique driver technologies for the Gold Series. We have spent a lot of time and energy developing a proprietary cone technology just for the Gold Series. We're calling it HDT, and it's focused on cone breakup and controlling and refining what's going on in that area. But the way we approach all loudspeaker design is about what we call system design engineering. And what we mean by that is we design all of the elements of a loudspeaker together. At Monitor Audio, we have a development team that works fully integrated together, so industrial design engineers and acoustic engineers starting at the very beginning of a project. And once we've defined what our audio parameters, our audio targets are, we put a lot of work to ensure that we meet those targets as a system. So that means developing the cabinet, the crossover, and the transducers in unison, rather than trying to make something work with something else. We develop everything together. We think that gives a lot more universal design, and what we hope you'll hear with the new Gold Series is a range that just gets bigger as you go through the range. We start with the Gold 50, which is our new compact stand mount speaker. This features a 6-inch HDT driver and our MPD3 tweeter. That starts at $2,500, and we focused on making the biggest performance loudspeaker we can out of a small box. It's a really, really beautiful compact solution that doesn't lose any of that high fidelity that you want from a premium loudspeaker range.
Is the stand included?
The stand is not included. Both our stand mounts are compatible with our ST2 stand, which is a universal stand across both Gold and Platinum series. And then moving on from the Gold 50, it's perhaps best to go to the new Gold On-Wall. This is for the first time in a Monitor Audio range we have a dedicated stereo on-wall solution. So this can be used for home cinema applications and surround configurations, but is actually a perfectly capable stereo solution for, especially in a show like CEDIA where it's all about integration. We always know that sometimes there are applications where we don't have space for a floor stand or a stand mount speaker, so we have a wall mount solution. The crossover and the development of the drivers for this product has been designed for that application. It's still ported out the rear as well, so you've got a lot of bass impact there. It's a really, really great product.
So how would the plug work if it's right on the wall? Would you cut the hole in the wall?
No, the port's out the base of the cabinet.
Oh, it's on the bottom?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. It's a ports. Nice.
So, moving on from that, we have a new dedicated center channel, which is a three-way... So with the center channel, we have a new three-way center channel. The way we have a design philosophy for center channels at Monitor Audio, moving on from the Silver Series, Gold Series, and Platinum Series, is that we know people want compact center channels. It's giving those as much integration flexibility as possible, but people want performance, and we really strongly believe that a three-way center channel is the way to go for that. So we have developed the smallest three-way center channel we can, focused around the 6-inch drivers. It's a real high-performance center channel. And then moving on to, before we move on to the floor standards actually, I should not forget the Gold 100. Now the Gold 100 is brand new for the Gold Series. It's a first-time three-way stand mount loudspeaker. This is something we're really proud of. It's definitely the most fun loudspeaker in the range. We've got a relatively compact solution with a real big impact. It's only marginally larger than, if you're familiar with our range, the Silver 100. We've just increased that cabinet size a little bit, and we've now got a full three-way speaker. You're getting actually floor standard type impact and performance, but in a stand mount configuration. And then the final two models of the range. This is my personal favorite actually. I love a slim floor standing speaker, and with that we have the Gold 360. Now it features all those technologies I've already talked about. It's a little bit taller than our outgoing Gold 200. We've increased that presence a little bit, but we've kept that slim nature of the Gold series. So it's as thin as we could get on a 6-inch driver. On the floor standards, we have all new outrigger feet. These feet actually are really unique. Like, we have the strength of a plinth. They are anchored together underneath the cabinet. They create an incredibly stable platform for the speaker, but they're really beautifully engineered. We've looked at a lot of features, like we have these little magnetic caps here, and you can now height adjust the speaker and get that speaker nice and level without actually having to pick it up. It's a much easier way of getting your speaker install done. And then the final product in the range is the range flagship, which is the Gold 500. Now this is a really, really powerful impact loudspeaker. Lots of presence, lots of impact. And yeah, it really does round out that range.
What's the extension? How low does it go?
Oh God, you need to get me to look at the spec sheet on that one. The best place to go is probably to go to the website, monitoraudio.com. We're really open about our technical specifications. For the first time, we're giving you SPL levels, and we're telling you how we've measured those SPLs. So it's really good. Go to monitoraudio.com, look at those specifications, and yeah, you'll see that we have developed a really comprehensive range of loudspeakers.
If you could just go over the pricing of the line.
So the range tops out at $7,500 a pair for the Gold 500. For the Gold, I won't go in order because we're all a bit scattered here. And then we have $4,200 for the Gold 100. For the little Gold 50, they're $2,500 a pair. For the Gold center channel, I think it's $2,500. Yes, I got that right. $2,500 for the center channel. The on-wall, these are actually priced individually because we know that people might want to use them as center channels or surrounds. So these are $1,400 each. Sorry, I'm down there, and $5,600 for the Gold 300.
So there we have it. That's the new lineup from Monitor Audio, from their home theater and on-wall and home audio speakers to their brand new outdoor speakers as well. Some pretty cool stuff this year at CEDIA Expo.